Well, we start front row inside. Braden drew a good number. We got Irie behind us, Anderzek to our outside, and Missler behind him. I was fast in the heat race. We ended up making some changes again. Didn't think the track was going to hold up. A little nervous. It didn't look like it was drying off as fast as I thought it would. Don't know if that top's going to dry off quick enough or not. Sprint cars are up there most of the time. It's not a big cushion. Might have just enough momentum up there, I don't know. Let's see. If anybody wondering, I am wearing my mask. Gotta follow the mandate. Wave lap this time by. There's still a little bit of a cushion up there. Oh, is that Irie? That is Irie. 69, I think, just got Irie. Right, just packed it. He's over there in the hot pit. Did he get the front end smashed? Everybody got caught when they spun out. Track's a little slick on the bottom and the top. The Irie, Missler's now on the inside. One left to go. Let's see here. Well, good night. I think that was a pretty good change that we did to the car. I thought the bottom was going to be a faster way around. I was coming off the corner pretty good. Oh, we're heading to the horse track. Big number 3 here at Attica. Don't want to go through that mud.
I'm coming. Make some noise for Devin Shiels. Getting old for that. Yeah, right. No backflip? What? No, not good, Bobby. Hey, third win of the season, pretty cool. Yeah, we've been fast on the bottom. Seems like the track usually up on the top of the heat race, and then get down to the bottom, and there's still some weight left over there. It's an old man's track, what you're saying. No, because the young kids get up there bounce off the cushion. They can do that all they want. Up there at the bottom. Well, you got that ninth fairway through here, Dad. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we would have had a little more than that. It wasn't luck breaking the coil wire and crashing on the last lap. Yeah, this is good. I'm hoping to rail off some more. That gets a GoPro camera. It's up there watching. Oh yeah, we got Garmin camera. Yep, there's GoPro on the back. So we got that little incident me and Irie did in the hot lap. So we'll see what that looks like on camera. Some people do it like that. Thank my dad, Denny, Braden, and Dylan for being here tonight. Rally's Hamburgers, Dirt Nerds Podcast, and Magic Auto Wash. Does that mean you got to be on the Dirt Nerds Podcast this weekend? I hope not. Third time this year. Thank you. Get on that Dirt Nerds Podcast. Oh.
You want to hold the flag?
Yeah, you want? Go ahead, hold it.
Yeah.
Where are you looking? Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. All right. Thanks for coming. We got one more, I think. Hey, Dwayne. You got Dwayne? All right. Who wants it? All right. Up to you guys. You decide who holds it. Well done, my friend. Thank you. We're all on one side. You're looking at the orange. This one over here. Yep. Right here, guys. Right here. Yep. There you go. All right. Here we go. right, thank you guys. Thanks for coming.
Coming by yourself.
All right. Thank you, trophy girl.
Yeah. The ugliest trophy girl in the world.
All right. Tell me when to suck in.